Alright, y'all. Today's video is by ABQ Raw. Two young kids point gun at police. Let's get into it. I wonder how they got the call about these kids with this gun.
And 394 has the eyes with the drone. It is going to be a handgun, black over
Sheesh.
white, and he's refusing
Hey
to drop
kiddos,
it.
can you guys drop that and come talk to me? Just go ahead and drop that.
They can't even play it light because that might be a real gun. I'm pretty sure. I was going to say it's most likely a toy gun, but they wouldn't made a whole video about two young kids pointing a gun at police. Let's see.
Put it down, babe. Go ahead and put it down for me, okay?
You're not in trouble, but you have to drop that and come talk to us, all right?
Sheesh. He had his hand on the
Put it down, baby.
trigger and everything. There's no way they got bullets.
Put it down, baby.
Just drop it, buddy.
Put it down, babe. You're okay. Put it down,
And
okay?
now the kid in the blue and green has a firearm.
I need you to put it down, baby.
Let's not do that, bud.
Because of the shield.
Let's not do that. Let's take our hand off, buddy. Let's put it on the
He just told him he got his finger on the trigger.
He said he has his hand on the trigger. Hey guys, put the gun down.
394 has a shield if you do need one. Someone else.
He said something about pointing it at him.
It's okay. You're not in trouble, buddy.
Where are their parents at?
Huh?
we'll show you how.
I know. Can you put it down for me?
Just put it down.
You're not going to be in trouble, okay?
Just put it on the ground, bud. Come talk to us. You're not in trouble.
Why won't he put the gun down? Oh my God, that flag in his golly.
Hey.
Put it
Hey,
down.
put it
Don't
down,
do
buddy.
that. Put it down, baby.
Come on. Okay.
Eugene. Put it down, babe.
341. Yeah, back up.
Can you lift?
You want 40 on that side? If so, I would go ahead and 40.
They about to 40 millimeter a
Wait,
kid.
let's try to keep talking with them.
Non-lethal rounds, obviously.
Eugene, put it down, babe, okay? Put it
Sheesh.
down for me so we can talk.
Why do they want to hold on to the gun so bad?
You're doing a really good job right now, so if you could just put it down.
This has to be bad parenting. I don't know where their parents are at, but something's up. Oh, finger on the trigger.
I would go ahead
Oh
and
my
40 him.
gosh.
Try to knock it out of his arm.
Oh man.
Then we can move up.
He low key was about to hold it,
What I
right?
want you to do is I want you to hit beside them. Hit the wall? I want you to hit the wall. Hey, put that, just keep it down.
Sean.
I want you to hit the wall or hit the fence.
258's gonna hit the wall with a 40.
Hey, you gotta do what he says. I want you to hit this fence right here.
And we have Charlie speaking with these kids.
Sean. Can you put it down, babe?
Hold on a second. Give it a second. Kiddos, just drop that. And come talk to us. You're not in trouble.
Yeah, that's simple. We tried to talk them down. They're refusing to put the gun down.
If you can, ricochet it on the bottom of that wall into their feet.
Not
Maybe
with
he'll
the
listen.
cannon. If he puts the cannon down, will you put it down?
Okay? Try not to hit him.
Put the gun down and we'll show you the cannon.
He's not going to shoot you, babe. Put it down. Okay, he's going to put it down now. He's facing it down. Now you put the gun down. Okay? Come on, Sean. Let's listen, okay, babe? We don't want to hurt you, honey. Can you
They
put
know
it
their
on the floor?
names.
It's still going to be right by you, but if you put it down on the floor, then he could keep his cannon down. But put it on the floor.
Just wait. Stand by.
The sooner you put that down, the sooner we can take you home. We can go see your mom.
Sean, this isn't a game no more. We're not playing a game right now. This is serious.
1030 speaking with 254.
I need you to put that down.
They don't know how much danger they are in right now.
After you put it down, and I'll make sure that we get you some whatever you need. Okay?
We're just gonna wait for a second.
Can you
just
do that for me? Well, your mom gave me your name.
Finger on the trigger.
All right, then Eugene, can you put it down for me? Now Sean has it.
Boy, look how they're holding it.
Let's make this easy.
Somebody taught them.
Because we want to help you. We want to help you.
I want to try to do it.
If their hands were a little bigger, they'd probably be holding it just right.
I just don't want to fucking.
Put it down, Sean.
I really don't want to fucking 48 kid right now.
We don't want to help hurt you, and we want to help you, okay?
Amy didn't fire.
It'd be.
Whoa.
40 going out. 40, 40, 40.
Drop it! Drop it! Drop it, Sean! Load another one. Load another one. Drop it now! You're gonna get hit! Drop it!
You dropped the gun! Taser, taser, taser!
That's crazy. Yeah. Like somebody like, yeah, you gotta put your life on the line for that. Nobody wants to harm those kids. And they're just so immature that they don't know. Just put down a gun. I think they think it's like they're gonna get in trouble. It's just a game. They think that they can just hide it. Like, I don't know if they've ever had any discipline. I don't know where their parents are. I don't know where they got this gun at. Their parents or CPS is definitely getting called. All right, y'all. That's the video. Hope you enjoyed. Somebody's getting in trouble.